Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google Chrome sync pause error. So if you already log in into your Google account on the Chrome, but then when you try to open it, it says that the sync is paused. You can see that my sync is paused right here. And how you can fix that, you can just watch this video. So it's really simple. What you need to do is just click on this pause button, and here you can see that apparently my Chrome is log me out on my account, so I need to sign back in because to turn back the sign in the thing again. So you can just click on this sign in again button, and in here you need to sign into your Google account. Just fill in the email or phone number. You can tap on next, and now fill in your password for your account. And after this you can tap on next and just wait. Okay, so now it is fixed, so the sync is back on. When you click on this, you can see that sync is on now. And so that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on a thanks. Bye!